Every home has a story, and before buyers ever walk through the front door, they see it through photos. Real estate has become a visual industry. Agents rely on strong media to attract buyers, stand out online, and market their listings. And that creates a huge opportunity for photographers. But breaking into real estate photography isn't always easy. Many photographers struggle with gear decisions, shooting interiors, editing efficiently, and figuring out how to actually get clients. The Real Estate Photography Business Course was designed to guide you through the entire process. From understanding the industry, to mastering cameras and lighting, to building a real business with paying customers. By the end of this course, you'll understand how to photograph homes professionally, edit images efficiently, deliver great client experiences, and start building an income-generating photography company. When you're ready to transform your love for photography into a bona fide profession, join me in the Real Estate Photography Business Course and learn the step-by-step system for shooting homes, editing photos, and getting your first clients.